दोस्तों कुछ दिन पहले ही मैंने फर्स्ट राउंड के क्वेश्चन अपलोड किए थे। आज मैं सेकेंड राउंड की बात करने जा रहा हूँ। सेकेंड राउंड का जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑनलाइन फॉर्म अनाउंसेस ए न्यू एआई टेक्नोलॉजी टू फाइट ऑनलाइन चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज। सो करेक्ट आंसर इज गूगल। Isotopes are separated by, so isotopes are separated by distillation. Basically this question belong to chemistry. Who is the father of geometry? So UV Silid is a father of geometry. Movement due to light or shown by, so movement of light shown by flowering plant. Which ministry launched Samagra Shiksha scheme for school education? So correct option is Ministry of Human Resource Development. Whose birth anniversary is commemorated as National Sports Day? So correct option is Dhyan Chand. Which Indian film opens the 2018 London Indian Film Festival? So correct option is Love Sonia. Which country will host the prestigious Asia Cup 2018? So correct option is UAE. Yahoo has launched its own new group chat app for Android and iOS. The name of the app is Squirrel. Which city tops in the 4G connectivity among 20 of India's largest city? So correct option is Patna. India's first atomic reactor was, so India's first atomic reactor was Apsara. Which are the important raw material required in a cement industry? So required material in cement industry are limestone and clay. How many Lok Sabha seats belong to Rajasthan? So 25 Lok Sabha seats are in Rajasthan. Changing computer language 1 and 0 to character that person can understand is decode. How many bits in a byte? So as we know, how many bits in a byte? So correct option is 8, because there is 8 bits in a byte. Who is the first Asian winner of Nobel Prize? So Rabindranath Tagore is first Asian. The Indian to beat the computer in mathematically bizarre is Shakuntala Devi. Jude Felix is a famous Indian player in which of the fields? So Jude Felix basically belong to hockey. Light emitting diodes is used in a fancy electronic devices such as a toys emit, that is known as visual light. Oxygen in our blood is transported by a protein name is hemoglobin. In which Indian state did the game of polo originate? So correct option is Manipur. Look at the series 2, 6, 18, 15, 4. What number should come next? So just look at the series. Just add 4, 6, then add 12, you get 18, then add 36. So correct option is 162. On which date the International Tiger Day was observed? So International Tiger Day is observed at 29 July. A scientist from this country have formulated world's first Ayurvedic drug to cure dengue. That country is India. Which search engine acquires GIF search platform Tenor recently? Correct option is Google. Name of the girl who became India's latest woman grandmaster recently? Name is R. Vaishali. Which city tops in fixed broadband speed in India as per the report of Ookla? So correct option is Chennai. Detergent used for cleaning clothes and utensils contain sulfonates. Which of the following is a protein? So natural rubber is an example of protein. In a normal human body, the total number of red blood cell is 30 trillion. Wood is the main raw material for the manufacture of paper. What is the unit for the measuring the amplitude of a sound? So sound measured in decibel. The minimum age to qualify for election to Lok Sabha is, that is 25 years. The letter DOS stand for disk operating system. Which device can be used to store charge? So here capacitor is used to store charge. Optical fibers works on the principle of total internal reflection. Plants that grow under average temperature and moisture are called mesophytes. This network conducted India's first 5G network trial recently, that is Airtel. How many teeth does a normal adult dog have? So adult dog have 42 teeth. Which of the following launched the first ever chat-based job search app recently? That is Infogila. If speed of rotation of the earth increases, weight of the bodies will decreases. 1 fathom is equal to 6 feet. Which among the following plans to launch training program for journalists in India? That is Google. The Internet Intelligence Map is recently introduced by Oracle. The type of glass used in making lenses and prism is flint glass. Very small time interval or accuracy measured by atomic clocks. A JPG is a format for an image file. The Cannes Award is given for excellence in which field? That is film. The journalist who refused to accept Padma Bhushan was Khushwant Singh. Professor Amartya Sen is famous in which of the field? Basically, Amartya Sen also got a Nobel Prize. He is famous for economics. Where did the first ODI match was played in India? Correct option is Ahmedabad. Who developed a mobile-based application UTS on mobile for cashless ticketing? So that is CRIS. A normal human being, how much time does food take to reach the end of intestine for complete absorption? It takes about 12 hours. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts. The metal that is used as a catalyst in the hydrogenation of oils is, that is nickel, Ni. So thank you for watching the second series, and very soon I am going to publish third and fourth round also. Thank you.